I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both devices so the connection succeeds on first try. Turn the camera on, open its Wi-Fi or NFC wireless menu, and enable the network. This creates a hotspot or pairing request. On your phone, open the Canon Camera Connect app and grant location and storage permissions so the app can see networks and save photos. Once done, place the phone within a few feet of the camera to avoid dropouts and move to the pairing step. Now you pair the devices by choosing the camera SSID in your phone Wi-Fi list or by tapping NFC if supported. The camera will display an SSID and passcode. Enter or confirm that code in the app when prompted, and accept any trust dialogues on both devices. Make sure the app shows the camera model and live view preview. This verifies a two-way link. If you need to transfer images, pick Transfer Images. If you want remote shooting, open Remote Live. Finish by transferring images or using Remote Capture. Choose image sizes and confirm save to your phone gallery so files are available offline. When you're done, disconnect the phone from the camera Wi-Fi to restore normal internet access. If the connection fails, reboot the camera and phone, restart the Canon app, and re-enter the passcode. This clears most transient errors. Also make sure the app has storage and location permissions, and that airplane mode is off so Wi-Fi can operate normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.